I've done a lot of distance learning, but now with video on demand, praise the Lord, I could actually complete my bachelor's next year.
Just doing part-time studies, but I'm able to do that over video on demand, which actually works very well for my schedule as a bivocational pastor. I'm kind of balancing two part-time jobs and being a full-time pastor, and the video on demand option works so good for me.
When he gives his lectures to his class, it's all recorded for me and it's posted online, and both his in-person class and myself, we have access to that online library, and I can watch the lectures on my own time and my own schedule. I can interact with the material as he's giving it.
What I've found is that it's really easy to connect with even the other students on Zoom, and we sort of form our own community while we're learning together.
If you're doing online studies, we want you actually to feel like you're part of something. You're not just sort of passively looking at a screen.
The professors definitely knew their stuff and they were well prepared, and they taught it just like they would teach in class, albeit with maybe some even new tools at their disposal. The quality of the instruction was just exactly the same as if you would take it in a class in person.
He and I meet over Zoom once a week just to kind of go over everything that he's talked about to make sure that I don't have any questions. It's been really great to not only be able to do distance education and learn virtually, but still have that personal connection to your professor where you can ask questions in real time and get real answers.
They had videos to show you the class from both perspectives. You see the professor teaching, you see the classroom, students engaging. There's this oscillating camera that shows you when students are talking, and that was really engaging and really made it felt like I was in class. I'm really a part of it.
I actually feel pretty connected. We're taking courses and sometimes going into small groups via Zoom. Some of my friends that take courses here in Winnipeg, so we just kind of collaborate.
You can actually get a one-on-one view with all of your classmates. So let's say if the teacher says something funny or makes a really interesting point, you can see how your classmates are reacting to it, and then that can even bring further conversation. And so I found that was really engaging for the class and really interesting too. There was some good moments there.